trout and other species. This lure catches anything that swims and will outfish any lure on the stream for trout. Named top by Field and Stream. Named one of the top lures of all time by Field and Stream magazine and sold all over America since 1997. Falls horizontally in the water. The trout magnet hook and body falls horizontally in the water instead of headweight like all other jigs. This design is what separates it from all other jigs. Perfect size box for pocket. Single-sided trout magnet box is the perfect size for a pocket or vest with our top trout color jig bodies and jig head. Top reviews from the United States. Stop hesitating and buy these now. I had never had any luck fishing with any type of artificial lure, jig until I fished with these. I bought the small kit because I didn't really have high expectations, but man, the trout magnets actually do work. I live in Southern California and fishing isn't that great here. Came to the Kern River and man, I have never caught so many trout in my life. Everyone around us weren't catching nearly as many. My girlfriend that doesn't even fish kept catching them also. We had a blast with these jigs. We caught about 30 fish or more within a couple hours. I tried all the colors and they all caught fish, but green and black were the deadliest. My setup was ultralight rod with 2 pounds test with trout magnet. Super simple. I would cast and let the river sorta take it, and within seconds fish were on. They really do live up to their name. Highly recommend the trout magnet. No, I wasn't paid to write this review. This is an honest customer review and I am telling y'all, if you've been hesitant on purchasing these, stop and purchase now because these actually do work. Going to purchase the 152-piece kit now, lol.